Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new beauty box from Next Beauty. It's called Ultimate Beauty Box and is made in partnership with the brand Bath and Body Works. Ultimate Beauty Box is retailed for £30 and from my calculations worth around £86. Next Beauty claims that inside we will find 5 full-size products from the brand. And judging by how heavy the box is, I believe that we will find only full-size products inside. What else I want to mention is that, guys, this beauty box smells lovely. I think the guilty for this nice smell is the candle which is hiding inside. Okay guys, the box is opened. Are you ready to discover the treats? First I took out a shower gel, Gingham. This rich and non-drying gel cleanser has a luxurious lather, delivering a fresh and vibrant infusion of blue freesias and peach with clean white musk and fruity sweet clementine. I tried the shower gel from the Bath and Body Works and yes, it's really nice. It's gentle with the skin, it's non-drying. The only thing spicy is the price point, a bit too expensive in my opinion. Next we find a hand soap from Japanese Cherry Blossom range, gentle foaming hand soap. I will not mention the size of the products from the beauty box. As I said at the beginning of the video, all the products are in full size. Lathers to a light foam and leaves hand moisturized and bacteria free without stripping the skin's natural barrier. I like the shape of this product, it's new for me. Third product is from Gingham collection, is a fragranced body mist. Create your own feel-good factor with the Gingham fragrance collection. Not only does this mist deliver great coverage and lasting scent, it is paraben-free and nourishing for your skin. Fourth product from the beauty box is a body lotion, is from Japanese Cherry Blossom collection, 24-hour moisture. This lightweight, super smooth body lotion is easily absorbed into the skin and is infused with shea butter and coconut oil. This timeless and feminine fragrance has a punch-top notes of fruity mimosa and Asian pear, followed by soothing sandalwood base notes. And the last product from the beauty box is a free wick candle. It's from the same Gingham collection and it smells lovely. I didn't took the lid off, but it smells divine, very nice. This candle is made from a patented soy wax blend with soothing essential oils. I am very happy with the candle, I love candles. In the past I had a free wick candle from the Bath and Body Works and I love it. It fills the house with a scent. If you are just like me and love the home candles, then you need to try the Bath and Body Works candles, they are great. Here are all the products from the Ultimate Beauty Box by Next Beauty, made in partnership with the brand Bath and Body Works. And guys, I like the products from the beauty box. Well, in my opinion, they could have done it even better. Bath and Body Works have a huge range of products and collections, and they could have played with that. Definitely is not a bad beauty box, is a good one. Only they could have made this beauty box even more interesting. What do you think? And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!